there's this idea I've been really thinking about lately, and hold on. Good morning. Anyways, pop sockets. I think I want to make pop sockets, and I have a couple of designs made. More like one that I'm actually set on, but yeah, so that process is going. Cannot forget the creamer. Just like that much. Yeah, I use a lot of creamer in my coffee, so what? Bam. Alright, let me show you the first design that's going to be going on. You like my little logo? What I've decided to call myself, this channel, and yeah, bam, perfect. So Pizza Boy, that's what I call myself. I like it. It's a nice simple design, nice font that I like. You notice this white box kind of differs, you know, from the black background. It's the part of the P's, you know, and part of the I, yeah. So there's that. Okay, so I have to wait like 7 days for a sample to come in. I just sent the whole order in like 2 hours ago, and the way it happens is I place an order, I purchase, and then they send me a confirmation email, and then I send them a PDF of the design that I want, and then they send me a sample, and then if I'm okay with the sample, then they go on and make a production, or they begin production for that design and stuff. So I don't know, let's see what happens. It's gonna be priced at normal pop socket price, and I think it'll be pretty cool. So I guess now we just wait.